Ron here with a perfectly imperfect marriage, and I want to talk to you today about our foundation compass, which is step one in the Marriage Harmony Grow, Restore, Strengthen program. And here we really lean into laying the groundwork for what we're going to be building on as we go through this entire program. Now, this is a whole program. This is just step one, and this is really just the 10,000 foot overview of what this particular module looks like. But I want you to just think a little bit about, where you are in your marriage right now. Are you happy? Are you fulfilled? Do you feel like sometimes you're on this rat wheel, living the same day over and over again, the same conversation, the same argument, the same issues that never seem to get squared away, taking the garbage out, leaving socks on the floor, whatever it is, you know? But then you see couples who are living this happy, fulfilled life. And I'm not talking about your Facebook and Instagram pictures, but I'm talking about the couple down the street that you see, or maybe sitting a few chairs down at church. You see these couples and you're like, man, what are they doing? And why can't we get there? That's what this program is designed to do. It's really to help you take that next step, past these hurdles that are in the way, and create this happy, fulfilling, joy-filled marriage that you absolutely do deserve. Now, if this information strikes a chord, resonates with you at all, click the like button, but also subscribe to the channel. Every week, Samantha and I share a video or two about different marriage topics that really are near and dear to our heart, as well as engage with our APIM crew. Now, you may not know what the APIM crew is, but a perfectly imperfect marriage, APIM, our community is our crew, and we engage in multiple different places. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube, but we're regularly engaging with our community, and we would love for you to join. Now, like I said, this particular video is about the foundation compass and what we're going to be looking at when we unpack this foundation compass. What are we going to be building on as we move forward? So the first one is reading key Bible passages together. Now, yep, I said Bible. So we do lean hard into the wisdom that's in the Bible, okay? Now, these truths, these wisdoms are timeless. It doesn't matter where you are in your religious or faith-based journey. You might not be religious at all. You may have never looked at a Bible. That's okay. That doesn't change the fact that really these concepts are timeless and can absolutely help you in your marriage where you are right now to move to that next level. We're going to reflect on how we can incorporate these biblical principles into our day-to-day grind. How do they apply to this modern marriage, this crazy lifestyle that we're currently living? How do we engage our spouse in meaningful conversation? We're going to talk about communication dynamic and what that looks like. We're going to talk about shared expectations. We're going to dive into values and goals and making sure that we are a team. You and your spouse are a team. Engaging the world shoulder to shoulder, not battling each other nose to nose. We want to be stronger together as we handle all the curveballs that life's going to keep throwing your way. Rest assured, those curveballs aren't going to stop. How do we apply these biblical teachings to our actions? How do we utilize these to define our course as we move through life? How do we strengthen a spiritual bond between a husband and wife? And again, it doesn't matter where you are on your faith-based journey. You don't want religion as part of your life. Again, that all of those things are okay. We're still going to lean into, what it looks like if, and then how do we lay the groundwork for long-term success? We're not looking to put a Band-Aid on a compound fracture. We are looking down the road. The goal is legacy. The goal is generational transformation. You want your kids to see the change that happened in you, and you want it to excite them and lay seeds so that as they grow and get married, that they've got a solid role model to look at. You want your parents and your in-laws to look at you guys and be like, what happened, man? Something's different here. Now, you may know Samantha and I, you may not. We may have had some interactions. Regardless, it doesn't really matter. I don't want to dive too deep into our backstory. If we do end up working together, you'll get to learn a lot about that. But understand, yes, we've got the schooling, yes, we've got the certifications, yes, we've been doing this for a little while, but that isn't really what this is all about. Samantha and I walked through this fire. We understand where you are and what it takes to go where you want to go. 2017, we were on the brink of divorce, and it really took some solid, deep soul searching, some real authentic conversations, and brutal honesty in order for us to get past where we were. And you know what? I mean, now we're happier than ever, a healthier marriage than ever. Samantha really is my best friend, and I just couldn't imagine doing life without her by my side. So you know that there's a marriage joy that you want to feel internally. It's possible. It's absolutely possible, but you got to take the first step. Some of the potential hurdles that we see as we engage this first step with different couples, this thought that we need to memorize Bible verses. You really don't. Nor do you need to memorize the whole Bible, nor do you need to become a theologian. None of that is what we're chasing here. Believing that marriage principles are outdated. We live in a very modern world with all kinds of different ideas about what marriage looks like. So we're going to unpack that and work through that together. And then fearing biblical content is just too difficult to understand. The ye's and the thou's and the language. We're going to break it down. So really, all of these are falsehoods. They're false hurdles that people put in the way so that they don't have to take action. We're going to square that away. This here is our one-page Foundation Compass cheat sheet. And I'd love to get a copy of this to you. Absolutely no cost. Our gift to you. There will be a link below. Go ahead and click on it and get a copy. And it ideally will give you a head start, create some new ideas, some different concepts about how to engage with your spouse, and some things that you might be able to incorporate that help to solidify and strengthen your marriage. That's what this is all about. Creating legacy for you and your spouse, creating generational change, and getting to where you can go and that you absolutely deserve to go. We don't want to be stuck on this treadmill of the same day over and over again, Groundhog Day. That there's success available. So we're going to help get there. Samantha and I want to come alongside you and guide you on this journey of marital fulfillment. Believe me when I say, man, it's beautiful on the other side of the trials and tribulations. The curveballs don't stop, but it's just a beautiful way of life. Now, like I said, this is step one in the overall marriage harmony program. This is the roadmap that we go through to get really from where we are to where we're looking to go. And without a solid roadmap, how are you going to get to where you're trying to go? You got to have a plan. This is the plan. Now, grab your cheat sheet below. There will be a link. There's also going to be a link to our website. You can learn a little bit more about Samantha and I. You can learn a little bit more about the program. But there's also a link to our calendar. Feel free to hop on the calendar, carve out some time. We'd be more than happy to talk with you, not only about the program, expectations, but also to see if we're a good fit. We're not a good fit for everybody, and that's okay. We are also not looking to work with just every couple that's out there. You have to have a strong desire to change. You have to be fully vested in this idea that, where we are right now isn't where I want to be. And I know that we can make the marriage that we want, but it's going to take a little work. This isn't magic wand, things are fixed overnight. You do these 3 steps and poof, everything's good. That's not really the way it works. We're not your Facebook guru that's going to tell you buy this product and put these 3 steps into place and everything's good to go. Yeah, that's just not the way it works. You're going to have to put in some work. But if this resonates with you, if you have this desire to change, reach out to us, take that first step, and let's get this ball rolling.